Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to draw this chocolate with this pencil. So let's get started. I didn't have any exact color pencil for drawing this because usually an wrapper of any chocolate will be in different color and I'm not having those colors in my pack. It's just very normal color pencil from Faber-Castell and it is a watercolor pencil which have no gloss. So I'm get started with this drawing. I'm so happy to draw with this because I just wanted to draw. That's it. It could be of any material, but I want to try out new materials. So I want to wait a lot of time for getting those things. I'm just waiting. So friends, as a human, we are never going to be get satisfied in all our needs, but we want to act as being satisfied, so our heart will never going to cry for those things. Then friends, to see how the details are developed, just watch this video fully so you could understand how I'm developing each and every details. I want to say something to you guys. These type of drawings are quick than other portraits and other natural drawings of graphite, but we want to spend the rich time on it. We want to see the photograph or the reference which we have very carefully, and we want to mark each and every details as it is, so it will look such a realistic look. And that's it. Hope you could get the point and try it out. Friends, most of you will be my friends who I have met already, but some of you will be new visitors. So if you are a new visitor, you might not know what is my name and what is my aim in this channel. So my name is Vishwa and I'm very passionate about drawings and other art forms. I had started this channel for teaching and guiding others to do better artworks by posting a lot of tutorial videos and other time-lapse videos. Friends, feel free to share your suggestions about any of our drawings or any of our upcoming videos. Just DM me on Instagram or TikTok or Twitter or in the comment section. I could see it and I will reply you what are the action I'm going to take for your suggestion. And if you want any behind scene contact, just DM me. I'll reply for you. Then tag me in your drawings. I could see your drawings and give some tips personally. Friends, if you are new to this channel, just check out all of our playlists so you could get an idea of what our channel is about. And if you are new to this channel, please subscribe and join with my lovely YouTube family. And thanks for watching, friends. See you. Bye bye.